you guys in the middle of a design project and you feel like you've gotten stuck or you've hit a wall, or maybe you just need a jump off point to get started? If so, you've landed in the right space. If you're new here, my name is Dana and I'm the founder of Silverstein Interior Styling, a full interior design service. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit, and I'm going to bring you into a scenario. I want you guys to think about getting ready for an event, a party, a wedding, a big event. When you're doing that, obviously you get that invitation, you're super excited when you get the invite. Then from there, you kind of do all your planning, you're shopping for your attire, you're shopping for your accessories. Maybe you're thinking about how you want to wear your hair, you're booking a hair appointment, maybe what kind of makeup look that you are going to wear, and maybe you're booking an appointment to get your makeup done. So we're doing all the planning, we're super excited, we're getting everything organized. Then the day of the event comes and everything just kind of turns out like clockwork, right? We go to all of our appointments we have scheduled. Maybe we've laid out our outfit and all of our accessories. Maybe we packed our bag for the night, charged our cell phone, we're getting all ready. So once we do all the things, we're very excited, and then we get ready to go to the event. How are we feeling? I want you guys to think about that one moment for a second. How are you guys feeling when you get all dressed up, whether it's for an event or every day? How do you guys feel? I guarantee you the answer is you feel confident, you feel high vibe, you feel like the best version of yourself, right? So I want you guys to think about that for a second, because it should resonate with you that the reason why you're feeling so good is not only you put an effort in, but you picked all the things, whether it was your hairstyle, your makeup look, your dress or outfit for the evening, and all of your accessories, things that you felt a connection to, things that you absolutely loved, things that you knew maybe you could replicate and mix in with your daily wardrobe. So I want you guys an understanding for design, and I'm going to give you a quote that's the basis of my entire philosophy. The key to fashionably style your home is finding the connection it has with your beautiful, vibrant self. So basically what that's saying is that everything in the home should represent you and your personal style. Now, obviously, if you don't live alone and you have a family, it's basically taking everybody's personal style and making it work. And I can give you an example. Sometimes I work with clients where maybe the wife is more contemporary and the husband likes things that are more industrial. That's okay. What I do as a designer coming into the project style, and then I'm able to actually marry their two styles to design their home around that aesthetic. So I'm hoping that these little tips help you guys. I'm hoping this gives you a different way of looking at interior design, because again, that key element to fashionably style your home, where you're going to feel your best in your space, is going to come from that mindset. I want you guys also to remember that your house needs to be your sanctuary. It's a non-negotiable. That should be the one place that you go, we spend the most of our time in, that you literally feel super high vibe and you feel like the best version of yourself. And again, the only way to be able to do that is to bring everything into the home that you not only love, but again, that represents you and your personal style. So I hope that this helps. Definitely leave me a comment if you guys have any feedback. I'd love to hear from all of you. Subscribe, hit that little bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, because I'd love to have you here as part of my YouTube family. So I will see you guys in the next video.